Okay, so all this is covered in plastic. Water tank lid is good. These are not sharp. Nice. Manufacturing date was May, so a couple of months ago. That's good. Let me see if I can get this out. So, small water tank. It's probably a liter, maybe. Okay, a little bit of lubrication there. There you go. Both sides are protected, and I believe you can go in either way. And I believe the motherboard and everything, computer, is on this side. So you just gotta be careful if you're pouring water directly into here, not to get water on this side or into these holes. Because that's where the motherboard is. It doesn't have a. This has a boiler pressure gauge, but not a. It's actually not quite flush, if you can see it. Yeah, not sure what's going on there. Because if you can see it here, it's actually inside. You see? So the dial's here, but it's not flushed. What's going on there? That's not very good. Look at that. The drip tray is actually very nice. You just slide it out, and it's a bit hard to come out because it's got this rubber barrier here. I'm assuming to stop water getting in there. Yep, full metal. This is really shallow though, so I'll fill it up and see how many shots I can get before I need to. And then it just goes in. Push it back in. Take off this plastic. Unfortunately, the plastic goes inside, so I'm gonna have to take off the top panel. I haven't even switched the machine on. So there's the panel, and since I'm here, I might as well show you. Yeah, so basically the plastic goes all the way down, so you have to take off the panel. So while I'm here, I might as well show you the inside. Okay, so lots of wiring here. Try not to spill any water down, because you can actually see this part. You can actually see this part when the cover is on. Assuming that's the boiler. Gonna have a look at this schematics of this. So to take the side panels off, you just take these two screws off, and then it should pop out. Same with the side. The back, I'm assuming it's these two screws. The vacuum breaker, if there's one, I'm not sure where that is. Yeah. No, it's back in. Take this piece off. Buttons have a nice click to it. These are soft, but this is like plastic. No idea why. Okay, yeah. So it's supposed to use filter water. 80 to 100, I believe. I have to look at a manual, but this one, this TDS meter, what am I running at now? 89, if you can see that. I don't know whether you can read that. 89 TDS. It's a mix of Brita, jug water filter and RO water as well. So I'll put that in and switch the power on. Okay, let's turn it on. Good. And I believe the manual has something like that. That was the empty water tank. Let's have a look at the manual. So there you go. This one. Wait until the keyboards are flashing slowly, which is press and hold 1A and 1C until the system is engaged. The pump starts running. So it's those two buttons. So press and hold. So press and hold 1B for 5 seconds to activate the machine from standby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 26 degrees I think is the boiler temperature, which is normal because it's about 28 degrees now. Next one is switch between tank and direct, which we're not going to do. Turn the machine off, we're not going to do. Yeah, this is my Atom 75, and yeah, so you can see the LED light at the back is nice. And I actually also have a smart plug plugged in, which can monitor the power. So let me just see how much power it took to go from pretty much code to usable. So it's pushed this to flush the steam wand. Okay, and if you go down, it's on. And the brew pressure is actually pretty constant. It's pretty good. Water wise, same thing. Okay, down. I believe you can set that. And the main one that you want to see, and this is really hot now. Water is, yeah, I'm gonna flush this. There you go. pretty constant, 75 mil. If you can see that, can you see that? There you go, 75 mil. Do that again. So blank water. So the water goes down the back. That is, so the steam one itself, it's a four hole. That's a lot of steam. Yeah, if you do that, you gotta be careful. And then there's a problem with this. So you just gotta be careful in this. So as you can see, water sprayed all across here and into here. Auto flush, pretty impressive. Let's try that again. Oh, standard share screen.